Meet DesignBundle, the ultimate all-in-one software bundle built for marketers to boost sales and conversion. DesignBundle contains 10 design tools inside. Tool number 1, Graphic Designer. The Graphics Designer tool enables you to create jaw-dropping image designs in minutes, even if you have no design or technical skills. With this tool, you can create Facebook ads, banners, social media banners and covers, e-covers, business cards, presentation covers, memes, t-shirts, and even more. It comes preloaded with over 3,000 templates across different niches. You can start designing from scratch or select one of the templates and edit. It also has about 7.5 million royalty stock images, icons, and other visual assets you can use in your design with no extra cost. Tool number 2, Landing Page Builder. With a landing page builder, you can create beautiful websites in minutes by adding pre-made design elements or blocks to the page and edit it. No design or coding skill is required. It works in a drag and drop style, which makes it easy for you to build any page of your choice. Inside the Page Builder tool, you have over 100 block templates you can select and edit at will. Tool number 3, Logo Creator. With this tool, you can create an awesome logo for your business, startup, or idea in minutes. Tool number 4, Ecover Creator. This tool enables you to create beautiful 3D covers for your books, softwares, and video in minutes. It comes with preloaded templates that you can select, edit, save, and download. It's very fast and easy to use. Tool number 5, Mockup Generator. This tool allows you to generate beautiful mockups in seconds to showcase your work and shape your idea. It comes preloaded with 100 plus mockup templates, laptop, desktop, iPads, watch, etc. that you can instantly use to generate high-quality mockups. Tool number 6, Scene Creator. With this tool, you can create beautiful desk scenes like a professional. It comes with over 300 items that you can easily move around and create scenes. Tool number 7, Stock Explorer. This tool contains a huge library of all sorts of royalty-free visual content, more than what you'd ever need or use. Inside this tool, you have over 2 million stock images, 10,000 plus vectors, 100,000 plus high-definition videos, 2,500 plus flip arts, 1,500 plus audio tracks, 5,000 plus video backgrounds, and over 8,000 animated graphics, and even more. Tool number 8, Flexible Images. This tool contains a rich collection of 15,000 high-resolution images with transparent backgrounds that blends very well on any surface or platform. It's highly compatible and suitable for any project: graphic, web design, video, presentations, cloud-based apps, etc. Tool number 9, Book Designer. This tool allows you to create beautiful book designs from a normal book. It contains templates you can select from and design your book pages in minutes. You can use this tool to create PDF books, reports, and even case studies in minutes. Tool number 10, Video to GIF Converter. With this tool, you can upload a video and convert it to GIF within a snap. It allows you to upload videos of different formats and convert to high-quality animated GIFs, fast and easy. So that's it. There is a lot you can do with this 10-in-1 design software bundle. It also comes with a commercial license that allows you to start profiting immediately from your investment by creating marketing graphics for your clients. Enjoy top-notch support. Start designing high-converting graphics for your offers using DesignBundle.